And here we have a mat for painless division. Who ever heard of a thing? Painless division. Well, this mat's going to make it even better for when learning division. So very nice mat that you can lay just about anywhere. It's got a very nice laminated finish on both sides. So you've got one side that's color that kind of gives you the answers. 1 divided, 2 divided, 3, all the way to 12. And then on the back side, it actually gives you the test. So you can use a dry erase marker on here, which works very well. So now 6 divided by 1, you put in the answer, as well as 2 divided by, 3 divided by, and it gives you all these different calculations here and problems here. And then you just flip it over and you can find out the answer and see how you did. So very good to use for homeschooling, for extra work after school with your math homework, and can definitely accelerate a kid's learning with division. So anyway, this mat is very good. Highly recommend. You should definitely check it out.